This is a penny and this is our local flea market. We have 1 hour on the clock to trade this penny for the most expensive item we can possibly find.
You got anything you'll sell us for a penny?
Yeah, probably.
Probably?
Yeah, I went like a wind-up toy?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Anything.
All right, so
You pick.
I don't know if he winds up, but he's a cute little guy.
That is cute. Fig Newton?
Yeah, he kind of does. But I'll sell it to you for a penny.
I'll take it. Thanks, man.
No problem.
So something else that's interesting about this challenge is that whichever of these vendors out here gives us the best trade today, whatever we end up with at the end of the trade, we're gonna end up giving back to them. So if we end up with like a $20 or $30 item, whoever gave us the best trade is gonna get that item totally for free. Also a quick shout out to Phoenix Resale for allowing me to steal this video idea from him. He did a very similar trade up challenge at a video game convention.
Okay, let's go!
Closing, they're closing. Great video, definitely go watch it.
All right, I got a question for you.
Yes, sir.
Do you have anything that you'll trade me for this Fig Newton guy? Preferably something that's slightly more valuable. It's probably worth like $1.
Pick one of those out.
One of the action figures?
Sure, right.
Okay, sweet. I'll give you the Fig Newton.
Awesome.
And we'll take Wayne Gretzky. Is that okay?
Yeah, awesome.
Sweet, thanks, man. I appreciate that. What are you asking for the mold thing?
$10.
Here's a crazy question. Would you trade for the Wayne Gretzky? That's a big ask.
Wayne Gretzky.
Wayne Gretzky, the best hockey player of all time.
Yeah, he's pretty good, you know.
It is pretty
I
good.
don't know a lot about Wayne, you know.
Do you have anything you'll trade us for this? This is probably worth like $5. Is there anything worth slightly more than 5?
I would do the tiki toss game, which is
Tiki toss
more
game?
than 5.
Is that the? Oh, that's the thing. I made one of these with the hook and everything. I'll do that. I'll do that. Tiki toss for the win. That's right. That's right. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. This is probably worth like $8, so I'm gonna look for like a $10 item. This is also loosely based off of that episode of The Office where Dwight is trading at the garage sale.
To a telescope.
If we find some Professor Copperfield's miracle legumes out here, that would be crazy. What's that, Hamburglar? That's cool.
Hamburger.
Hamburglar. What do you want for him?
$2.
$2.
Yeah, he needs to have his clothes took off and run through the washing machine.
I still think that's cool. How about, would you trade me for this? It's a tiki toss game. One of those things you mount on the wall. You wouldn't trade for it? All right, I appreciate it. That's okay. Thank you. I feel like the Hamburglar was a good deal for $2. That was, in his eyes, that was a backwards trade, but in our eyes, I think that would have been pretty good. Let's see. Seeing if you got anything that you think is worth slightly more than this that you'd be willing to trade us.
New York Giants umbrella.
New York Giants umbrella?
Yeah.
I'll do it. Thanks, man. I appreciate that.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Fine, got some dollar clothes here.
Dollar clothes.
I'll set the 2 jackets and say, oh, this is $1.
Okay. Here's a crazy question for you.
Uh-huh.
We got a New York Giants umbrella, NFL. This is probably worth like, what, $10, you think?
Well, I'll be there about.
Would you be interested in trading me this for that football?
Not for the ball, no.
Not for the ball?
I wouldn't do that for
Do you
the
have anything worth slightly more than $10 that you would be interested in trading?
I'll trade one 6-packs. Them's worth over $10 a piece.
That's very good.
But I can't do the ball.
I understand.
That's the only one. That's no. But
okay. Well, I'll keep you in mind. Let me walk around and see if I can get something even better for you.
there you go.
I appreciate it.
All right.
If it starts raining, the value of this umbrella will increase drastically.
Okay, so I turned my camera off because somebody didn't want to be on camera over there, but we just made a trade for these white and green Air Force Ones. This guy traded us the umbrella, so we got it documented. We're up to the Air Force Ones. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. What are you asking for this? That is so cool. Petrified wood. Crazy question for you. Would you be willing to trade us for these Nikes? They're probably worth about $30, $25-30. It'd be like an even. Yeah, I know. Would you be willing to trade us anything for this if we find something better?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll come back. If I can turn a penny into a piece of petrified wood, that would be super cool. What do you think?
Go to me.
All right, so Nikes for that flare gun.
Yeah.
Sweet, thanks, man. I appreciate it so much.
You go into one of your friend's houses window.
Oh, we'll see. I feel like that was a good trade. I have no idea how much flare guns are worth, but I've always wanted one.
So this was the cheapest flare gun I could find on Amazon, but I don't think ours is worth $70. In used condition, maybe 30 or so.
Is this your stuff, sir? What are you asking for the bow?
How much for the compound bow?
Okay. That'd be cool if we can end up with that.
You want $80 for it? Or 70?
Ask him if he'll trade for a flare gun.
A what?
A flare gun.
He said whatever I can get for it. But
What if he can only get a flare gun? Hey, thanks, man. We appreciate it anyway.
Do they went down in money with the flare gun?
I don't think so. It's a guy thing. It's a guy thing. You wouldn't understand. There's not a guy in the world that doesn't want a flare gun. Dude, with shoes, it's like difficult because if people want to, like it's like a size, you know? Those are cool though.
Training Air Force Ones for Air Force Ones.
Air Force Ones for flare gun. Junior, what do you think these are worth?
I'm trying to get 25 for it.
Would you be willing to trade me for a flare gun?
Yeah, I do that.
You do that? Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Don't shoot your eye out. Who do you think gave us the best trade so far? Was it the first guy with the trading the umbrella for the
I
Nikes?
still think that it's the umbrella to the
Yeah,
Air Force Ones.
I think so too. I think I want to make at least one more trade, get something really good, and then go give it back to that guy.
Yeah.
These are cool. Good shape.
I need to buy those.
Who's this? Is this yours? Okay, so today we started with a penny and we're trading up things. So far we're at these shoes, Air Force Ones. I'll see if you trade these for the Hokas.
check it out.
Check it out. They're good. I think it's size 9.5.
Okay, for yeah, it's old.
Old? You looking for new stuff?
Yeah,
Okay. What are you asking for the Hokas?
Give me $30.
30? I'll do that. You get 10 bucks? Okay. I couldn't just not get these Hokas for 30 bucks. Good size, 11.5, 2 extra wide. So not part of the challenge, but good deal. Thank you, appreciate it. Oh, look at this Yeti cooler with the Pokemon. That's actually pretty cool. Is this yours? Yeah. What do you want for the cooler?
140.
130? You wouldn't trade for these shoes, would you? Just laugh. Love it. Just laugh. Hey, thanks, man. You got a lot of stuff.
How you doing, bro?
So good. Do you have anything you'd be willing to trade us for these?
What size is?
They're 9.5.
12.
12? You got a big foot, man. There's some Adidas Ultra Boosts. Those are big. These are probably worth a little bit more than ours. Hello.
Hey.
Question. We're doing a challenge today. So we started with a penny and we're trying to trade our way up the food chain here. We're currently at this pair of Nikes. I was seeing if you would trade these for those Adidas. I know you have plenty of shoes. They're probably, I don't know, these are probably worth like what, 40 bucks? That's what you'd ask for them?
¿O se lo llevo de aquí?
No, él los trae, pero dije que si yo lo cambio esto por esto.
I'm telling you guys, this was one of the most intense flea market negotiations we have ever had. On one hand, I didn't want to keep talking and talk myself out of getting the deal, but I had no idea what to do. She was literally just standing there looking at the shoes, contemplating whether or not she was going to make this trade. It seemed like she was taking forever to make her decision until she finally said,
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. This really helps us out. You're awesome. We appreciate you. Awesome. Sweet. So we started with a penny and we ended up with a pair of Adidas Ultra Boosts. I feel like that's really good. Now let's go give these to that guy that traded us the umbrella for the first pair of Air Force Ones, because I feel like that was the best trade. All right, we got good news for you, I think.
sir.
So the whole penny trade up challenge today, whoever gave us the best trade, whatever we ended up with, we were going to give it back to them for free. So we ended up with a pair of Adidas Ultra Boosts. They're probably worth like 50 bucks or so.
Are you serious?
So they're all yours. All yours. You gave us the umbrella for the Air Force Ones. That was the best trade we got all day. So there you go.
Are you serious?
You could sell them, keep them, do whatever you want. Absolutely.
Are you sure?
Absolutely, yeah.
That is so nice.
You were
No.
so nice.
No, please.
Tell you what, you don't want to take this stuff back, I'll buy the Adidas back from you for 40 bucks. How about that?
You don't have to.
Hey, you gotta say,
kidding
I feel like it's not good that we just gave you shoes back. That didn't help you at all.
No.
So I'll buy them back from you. I'll buy them. Unless it's, you want to buy those? No? Okay. I'll buy these for 40 bucks back from you. Thank you so much. I hate your sweatshirt though.
I apologize.
I said that because he has a Home Depot hoodie on, and we have been in a constant battle with the Home Depot YouTube channel to pass them in subscribers, and they have taken a large lead. So if you want to help us out, definitely hit that subscribe button.
Thank you. That
Absolutely.
was so very kind. You guys are awesome.
You are kind. We're one of the best people we've ever met out here at the flea market.
Listen, I've got your buffalo.
Thank you so much.
So I don't know about you guys, but I had an absolute blast filming this video today. Normally we go out to the flea market with cash and just buy stuff we can resell for a profit, but there was something really rewarding about starting with a penny and just trading up to a pair of shoes that are arguably worth maybe like 60 bucks. The market on these is kind of crazy and the prices vary all over the place, but these are in good shape. They're a men's size 13, so I think they're probably worth like 60 bucks. But because we bought them back from that last guy for 40, I will go ahead and list these in our eBay store for 40 bucks plus shipping, so whoever wants to grab them, feel free. I'm pretty sure this is the first trade video we've ever made on the channel, and again, I had an absolute blast filming it. So if you guys enjoyed watching it as much as we enjoyed making it, definitely drop a comment on this video down below and let us know if you want us to do more videos like this in the future. We can go to different flea markets, different states. It's something that's very easily repeatable because you never know what you're going to end up with. So if that sounds interesting, definitely let us know. Thank you guys so much for watching. You're the best. We will catch you on the next one.